So let me share my screen. Okay, so just to talk about the visualization part. Okay, so if my data in the text format means it is quite tough for understanding the like analysis part. Okay, for example, just to see there are 10 employees basic salary is there. Okay, I want to find the employees who got the highest salary. So what you are going to do, you can go and compare each and every person's, and then finally conclude this person got the highest salary then the others. Miss Agnes. But if you take, this is a 10 employees in your organization, no issue. You can go and see, and then you can be able to find. Suppose in your organization, there are 1,000 people working. So how to find? It is very tough for comparing and then finding. If anybody basic salary increase means again finding comparisons. Okay, so if you do manually, it will be take the time. Okay, so your boss wants to, I want to do the comparisons. So go for converting the data to one chart. You can easily to understand. See, the chart which I added is the cluster bar chart. Just I adding the labels on the particular data as well. See this one, when you see the chart itself, you can easily to understand. This people got the highest. This people second level. This yes, Mr. Hafiz least salary 2,500. So this is the advantage for converting your data to chart. That is the analysis part. This is a very important. Okay, converting the chart, and then another one is a formatting chart. Okay, not only you can simply convert the chart as it is, you can go for formatting your chart. For example, giving the colors, giving additional elements, giving the x-axis and then y-axis titles. These are the chart elements. So how to convert this chart? Okay, select any one of the data range and then go for insert ribbon. This is a chart ribbons which is available. Okay, so let me go for even Microsoft Excel. They can giving the recommended chart as well. Click the recommended chart. You can able to see based on your data. Microsoft, it will be giving the suggestions chart. See, this is a bar chart, clustered column chart. So here clustered bar graph, and then here line graph. Even there is a funnel graph. So even there is a Pareto graph. These are the suggestion graph which is giving for based on the data which you type in the cell. Okay, let me go with if you don't want this recommended chart, no problem. Just go for inserting your own chart. Let me go for adding this kind of chart. This is a clustered bar chart which I am added over there. Okay, just select any one of the data. No need to select the range. Any one of the data you select and then go for here. There is a insert column or bar chart. Click the button. There is arrow button. There are two-dimensional column, three-dimensional, two-dimensional bar. There is either vertical alignment as well as a horizontal alignment which is available. Go for first one. There is a vertical, two-dimensional, clustered column chart. Okay, so this chart which I am added over there. Okay, once chart is added there, suppose if I want to add the points, that is the data. See, the data is like a salary for the employee. If we select the chart design will be automatically there. Okay, so the chart design, under the chart design, you can able to change the variety of styles. That is a formatting your chart. See, the chart style is available. You can choose any one of the styles. As well as, for example, let me go for this style of chart. Background color versus highlights. Okay, now if I want to change the color of the chart, this is a default color. Just I go for changing the color of the chart as well, based on the chart style. So still it is loading. Okay. So suppose if I want to adding the data elements, select the chart. See, there are three buttons over there. So one is elements, chart elements. You can able to add the chart elements. For example, what are the chart elements which is highlighted? The axis is highlighted, chart title is there, and then grid line. So I don't want the grid lines. Just I unselect the grid line. See, behind lines will be gone. If I don't want a chart title, just unselect. Chart title is gone. If I don't want axis, axis also will be gone. So whatever element if you want to add, you can go for adding the elements. Now I want to add the data label as well. Click the data labels. See, the salary for each and every employees will be added over there. Okay, so this is a way we can go for adding the chart elements. See the bottom? So this is a formatting. If you want to add style of the particular chart means like this design is there, no chart style, colors. You can apply chart variety of styles as well as the colors also you can able to modify. Okay, another one elements which is the chart filter. I don't want to highlight all the particular employees informations. So I want to highlight only for Andy, Hafiz and then Lee information. Rest I go for unselecting the informations. Okay, select all. Okay, only I go for highlight these three persons info only. After that apply. So now like a filter. Okay, so previously we discussed the filter on the particular data, no? Similar, you can apply the filter for, okay, 1 minute, let me apply the filter. Okay, select all, only these three. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Filter. Okay, I go for unselect all, only highlight these three people. Okay, click apply. See, so I don't want to highlight all the employees one. I want to compare three employees like Andy, Hafiz and then Lee. So I can go for using apply the filter over there in my chart. Chart filtering, which is used to edit what data points and names are visible on your chart. We can apply the filtering as well. Okay, similar, for example, if you want to change the chart. Okay, so just see change chart option which is available. You can go for changing the chart. So recently I add the column chart and then a clustered column. So I don't want a clustered column. Let me go for pie chart. Okay, click OK. The chart will be modified to pie chart. Okay, see, based on the three employees because I already applied the filter, no? So if you don't want, if you want to return back all the employees, just you can select all and then apply all. That's it. So this is a way we can go for adding the chart. If we go for formatting the chart, you can go able to format the chart as well. Shape, color, shape, outlines, bring to, send to back, everything you can align the particular chart. Even you can move the chart for anywhere you want to place. Click and drag, that's it. So this is a way we can go for adding the chart. Later will be little more about learn about the chart with
Radha, can
yeah.
you go back to the chart?
Yes.
Okay, the chart, no, just now your table, the table.
Okay.
This like the employee salary details, right? The bar chart, right?
Yes.
How do you just adjust the name to slanting? Because just now is a straight.
Okay. This one.
Uh-uh.
You can go with the formatting the chart.
How go to it?
See, the variety is there, no?
Ah,
Ah, you can choose
oh,
any one of the variety.
okay. So when you click, it will automatically, okay.
Yes,
Because just now the format, the draft formatting, the
styles. Okay, you
yeah.
can choose any
And then
styles.
the numbers, series numbers,
Data, data part.
1,000, 2,000,
Ah,
data.
here,
Okay, data.
date, chart elements, data
Uh,
labels.
data. I know data, but the new numbers like, the column A, 37, 36, 33. How do you adjust those like the numbers 1,000, 2,000? Can it
Okay,
be like 500, 1,000?
yes, can as well because
How do you do it?
the
Yeah.
data. Okay, because this chart which I converted for based on this data. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so it automatically taken because the data is 2,500, 3,000, 2,800. No,
Yes.
so
Can it
the
be
sys-
changed?
okay. So here because I change here based on the data range, so it automatically taken.
If we want to do a selections, is it possible instead of thousand in thousand? The
Yes,
column A, the column A.
yes, can as well. Okay,
How
no
how do
worry,
you change?
no
How do
worry,
you
no
change?
worry. Oh, no worry, because we especially we dedicated one day for doing for chart formats and we'll discuss that one. Because
Okay.
based on the x-axis, y-axis range also you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
use
yeah.
it. Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Which is X, which is Y?
Okay, so here, okay, 1 minute. Well, let me take the align. Okay, so see to that in the graph.
Uh,
Okay, so see to that this is x-axis,
uh,
like horizontal.
uh.
Vertical, this is a y-axis. This is a two-dimensional graph. So
Oh,
here, this is x-axis. X-axis representation for all the employees' name. So
okay.
y-axis representation for all employees' salary.
Okay.
Later
Y.
will be discuss about giving name of the x-axis, y-axis, everything formatting the chart and all. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Final basic concept. Once you done all the once your spreadsheet is ready, for sharing your boss, otherwise saving. Final is saving or printing. Okay, so save file, save option. Otherwise, just see there is icon on the top. No, this icon which is used for save the workbook. Click the icon. You can save it in the local drive. Otherwise, if it is a sheet means it automatically save it for your Google Drive. Shortcut for saving that particular workbook is a control yes. If we go for save the workbook for a different name means go with the control, sorry, save as option. Same file with a different file name. Okay. Another one is a print. Print varieties available. You can go for a printing the word, sorry, printing the Excel based on the either vertical or horizontal. So you can choose the orientation. You can choose the what size of a paper you can print. So normal margin you can adjust everything. Either you can pages everything you can do with the printer option. Okay, printing option.
Mhm.
Yes, so these are the basic. Okay. Uh, Finally, talk about the production. Okay, for example, I want to hide this sheet from unauthorized person. Okay, how I product? See, the product sheet is available. So right click on the sheet and then product sheet. So if you go for product sheet, either you can product your sheet like a sheet level, otherwise workbook itself. Okay, let me go for a protect the sheets. So you can protect for what? You can protect with the setting the password. Once you set with the password, your sheet will be protected. Once if you open the sheet means it asks the passwords. Once you type the password, if it is matched, then the sheet will be open to you. This is a one way. Suppose if you want to protect your workbook means entire sheets. So click the file menu, go for, okay, okay, here, click the file menu and then go for, yes, where it is option. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute options. Proofing, 1 minute. Even see, there are two type of production. One is a cell production, another one is a file production. If we go for a product entire workbook means you can go with the following for a file menu info and then product workbook option. So otherwise, if we go for cell productions means format the cell, product and then log, then apply the review and then production sheet. These are the two way which we apply for the protecting your workbook, protecting your sheets as well. Even you can apply with the cell itself. Okay, and then these are the some of the frequently used shortcut keys. Later I will share that Word document to you for a little more shortcut which is especially used for the Excel sheets. Okay, so
Mm.
these are the basic info about the uh, Excel.
Mm.
Okay, so if you are the beginner, you must learn these are the basic how we are
Mm.
going to using these applications. This application especially for a home ribbon as well as a formula ribbon as well as a help ribbons that is used for the details information and then insert ribbon. So even drawings option which is also available if you want to like a drawing means you can using this one. Page layout generally you can set the page like orientations of your Excel sheet like backgrounds colors means you can apply. So if we go for beginner level, insert, draw, formula, these are enough. This ribbon is enough. If we
Mm.
go for little intermediate level and then advanced level means you must know about this data ribbon, especially for doing the analysis. Okay, you can get the data from some other resources. Okay, so recently we play with the Excel sheet only. Okay, my data which is there in the another sheet. How I refer the data to my this sheet. So everything with this form of get and transform the data. Okay, if you go for cleaning your data means use for the queries, Power Query. Okay, so if you want, these are the some more quick analysis. Sorting. Why I am going to sorting in order to find the highest mark of the students or highest salary of the particular employee. Filtering that particular informations. Even text to column conversion. Flash filling. If duplicates which is available in my data means remove duplicates. Data validation. These are under the intermediate level as well as advanced level. Okay, it will be discussed for a tomorrow class. Okay, queries, Power Query, especially Power Query, which is used for cleaning your data. And then another one also we are going to discuss Power Pivot. So if I want to convert my data for quick summarizations, quick analysis means I go for using the Power Pivot table. Okay, so this and all which is discussed for further classes. Okay, okay, that's it. That's it for morning portion, Miss Leelai.
Mm.
Understand the concept of a basic intro about Excel?
Mm. Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
meaning is half day session only, is it?
No, no, no. Afternoon session purely about giving some exercises and then do the practice for understanding only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Generally, my teaching is morning theory part. Okay, I teach the basic concepts and all. So
Mm,
afternoon, I give the exercise to the students, let them do it, and then come out from the understanding for the morning session
mm,
topics.
mm,
Okay, so if they having any doubts for during that finding the solution for that exercise means I will help them.
mm, mm.
Okay, once you go for practice, then only like if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go for
because
real
Excel
world,
need to
yeah,
practice. You don't
yes,
practice, then you won't
yes,
remember the problem.
because only watching
Yeah,
learning
yeah,
is nothing will get. Okay, once you go for implementing, then only you
yeah,
face
yeah,
the real
yeah.
problem. Okay, so
Okay.
after lunch, we'll go for practice. So
Uh,
in this practice purpose, so there is a one website is available. There is a UK website. The
mm.
website title is okay, 1 minute. Okay,
You put in
let
the check.
me, yeah, 1 minute. So the training provided, they can Excel training course. Okay, okay, exercise. Almost 300 exercise they uploaded in their website. They uploaded for accessing free to others as well. Okay, so let me, where it is. Okay, Excel exercises.
So this one is free one, is it?
Yeah, free one only.
Oh, very detailed.
Yeah, free one. Like us, they are also training provider. They provide for a training, and then they provide some
Huh?
flexibility, some websites for a free to access to others as well benefit.
Mm.
Okay, let me share this link to you. Okay, please save this website link. Make a one Word document or notepad to save this link. Okay, 1 minute, let me share. Okay, please copy the link and then save it to your side.
Mm.
Okay, if you click the exercise, no, there are 186 exercise which is available. Let me open one. Okay, like they can build the exercise like a standard level, like a basic level, intermediate level, and then advanced level as well. Okay, just to see, there are three variety of exercises which is there. One is a Excel exercise, Excel visual basic exercise. If you go for writing scripting means you can using this one. So this training which is not cover for this both, okay, scripting and then VPA and all, we can focus only for Excel and then analysis part. Okay. So let me
Mm.
go for Excel exercise. If we click Excel exercise, scroll little bit down. Okay, if you scroll little bit down, see the left panel. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
That left panel, see Excel basic exercise 1 is there. Creating formula 10 exercise. Formula worksheet 6. Basic printing 4. Chart 3. Absolute reference 5. Variety of topics they can add in the exercises. Okay, let
Mm.
me go for first exercise. Basic Excel exercise. If we click basic Excel exercise, you can able to see the question over there. Okay, click the question. So see the level, relatively easy. Exercise is adding new data. Okay, adding new data, editing, copying, changing column with for customer service data. Okay, they can having one Excel file. Okay, so you must unzip the download and unzip the Excel file. After unzip the file, you can, if you open this Excel file means the data will be like this. So here they want to do two tasks first. One is adding the ninth row and then 10th row. So ninth row you can add this data. Like for example, is it 564 6435 and then like this they want to type on the data in the ninth row. So, and then 10th row, they want to type their data like this. Okay. So after that, they want to change the information like that, set wrong colors that particular data. So after that, they do some exercises. So control C, control V. Finally, they want to update, change the workbook to updated catalog entries December like this. So they can clearly tell what suppose you are going to do with the particular Excel sheet. So this website we are going to use for a activity purpose. Okay, Miss Leela?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, after lunch we'll do the activities. Okay, so
Can
please.
we take a break now or is
Yeah,
finished?
lunch break, lunch break.
So what
Okay,
time we connect?
okay, we'll now our time is 1:11. No, we'll return back 2:15. 1 hour
Two
lunch. Is it okay for you?
2:15 or 2:50?
2:15, 1 5.
Okay, okay.
1
2:50.
hour,
Okay.
1 hour
Yeah, yeah,
lunch
yeah. Okay,
break.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow onwards, I will stick on that one.
Mm.
1 to 2 o'clock lunch break. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, okay.
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 Thank you. Share your screen. Please share your screen.
Is this the same file or different file?
No. Online version. Okay. 1 minute. Let me share once again. Chat. One minute. Mm.
Once I share, I don't know why I cannot see the link. Just see. Username PH.
Okay. Can you please open the browser?
Browser.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Let me check. Okay. I couldn't able to add the tab.
Yeah,
Okay, click the plus sign on the top.
this one.
Yes, plus sign. New tab. Little bit up. The plus sign on the top is there, no? After basic intro.dxl. Yes.
But
Okay. Done.
you need me to do anything here?
Yes, Miss Lilay. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Can you please type excel.cloud.microsoft? Excel dot
Excel. This one?
cloud. Yes. Excel. Yes, exactly. Click. Okay. Please wait. Okay. Create blank workbook.
വേണ്ട മാസം 57 36 മാസത്തേക്ക്
No putti. No putti cost.
ಬೈಕ್ ನಾ ಬುಕ್ பண்ணிட்டேன்
Okay.
இன்னொரு பொம்மை
Okay. Now. Okay. Super. This is an online Excel workbook. You can able to work here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, okay. Go back to the chat.
Go back to?
Chat. Zoom chat is there, no? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more tab. Click plus
One more
sign
tab.
on the top. Okay. Now type.
Yeah.
Okay. Now type. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Wise all.
Huh? How to spell?
WIS. Okay.
W-I.
SE wise O. OWL. WISE OWL.
W. Wall.
Yes.
What?
L. WOL. Not world. World. Wise all. B. Okay. Delete. Delete. O. Okay. Wait. OWL. Wise all. OWL. Delete O. Remove O. Okay. WISE. Have you saved that link which I shared in that before ending the morning session?
No.
Okay. Please check the chat. Zoom control chat. I already shared, no?
Which one? The first one?
Say, yes. Okay. This is a Excel file, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wiseold.com is there, no? That link.
This one?
Okay, click the link. No. This is
Huh?
this. No. This not. This is not. One more link. Excel Cloud, and then one more link, which, okay. Okay, go back to the chat. Okay, the link which is www.wiseol.co.uk Excel exercise standard. Click that link.
This thing?
Yes. Yes, exactly. Okay. So scroll little bit down. Scroll little bit down. Okay, hold down, down. Little more down. Okay. See the left panel, Excel exercise. Yes, exactly. Click. Click on the link. Okay. One more time, click on the, okay, scroll down, click on the link, Excel exercise 186.
This one?
Yes, scroll bit down. Scroll
Down.
bit down, down. See the first exercise, Excel exercise 1. Down, down, little down.
Oh, this
Little
one.
down. Ah, yes. X.
Show this exercise.
Okay. Okay, scroll down, please. Down, little more down. Okay. Little more down. Okay. This one. First one. This one, first one.
This one? Chart 3.
See the left side panel, first one. Yes.
This
First one. Not chart
one.
3, first one. Choose first one. Yes. Okay. Now see the software which is needed, Excel. And then this is a basic for Excel. This is a relatively easy. So the exercise purely about adding the new data, editing, copying, changing the column, and then saving. Okay. Click the choose this exercise.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Choose. Okay. Now. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Now, what they want, before you do the exercise, you want to download the file and then unzip. Click this link file. Click here. This file link is there. No, click this file. This file. Blue color.
Huh?
Yes.
Which one?
Okay. Okay. Scroll little bit up. Scroll little bit up.
This one?
Okay. Little bit up. Yes. Exactly.
This
Yes.
one?
Yes. Click the file. If we click the file, one, okay, allow. Okay, now go to the file manager, open the file, and then unzip.
How do I go to?
Okay. So here, see the top download option is there, no? Click the download option. Yes. Okay. Okay, catalog phone line.excel file.
This one?
Yes, exactly. So, okay. So now what you are going to do? You are going to upload the file to that is Excel ground. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now return back to the browser. Please return back to the browser. Go back to your browser. Okay. So go to the book3.xls, third tab. Book3.xls is there, no? Yes. Okay. Now, okay, we want to have the file here. Okay. 1 minute. Click file option, file menu. Click the file menu. Okay. Okay, export, pin, rename, version option. Okay. Okay, no worry. We want to upload the file. Then we can work on the file, okay? How to upload? Okay, home button, upload button is there. I think open. Click open. Click open. Okay, open file from open. Second option. Okay. View open file from this device. Open file from this device. Okay. Now, okay. So the file which is downloaded in the download folder. Select the download. Yes. Downloads. Okay. Now, where is the file? Okay, scroll little bit down. Okay. Click file open. This. Okay. File from this device. Okay. No. Open files from this device. Okay. Okay, go to downloads. Okay, no. Where? No, 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 not this file. Not this file. Recently we download from VoiceWall. No, that file we want to upload. Okay, now go back to your file manager.
File manager.
Yeah. Minimize this window. Minimize this window. Okay. Desktop. Go to desktop. Minimize this window as well. Okay. Minimize this window as well. Okay. Where is your download folder? Click any one of the folder, please. No, 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 no. Minimize, minimize. Minimize this window. Okay. Downloads. Yes. So recently we download one file from VoiceWall. Okay. Scroll down. Today to catalog phone lines.xl file. This file you upload. The catalog phone line.xl file is there. No, this file you uploaded to web.
Down.
Yes.
Right.
Go back to the browser. Now you try files. Okay, open. Okay. Open from device. Okay. Catalog. Okay, open from device, last option. Okay, catalog. Okay, where it is, C category, downloads, catalog. Just type catalog in a search button. CAT search button. Right side, top right side search button is there, no? Yes. See, catalog phone-line.excel file. Today's one. First one. Today, yes. Open. Click open. We are uploading this file in OneDrive. Once saved, okay.
Nothing.
View all files. Click view all files. Why it's not type? Okay, go for a catalog. Type catalog. Okay, click first one. Okay, click open. Okay, wait. We are uploading this my files.
There's no message.
Yes, I want to see the message. Maybe sometimes it will be asked the file should be OneDrive. Just type catalog.
Yeah, so many times.
Phone line Excel. Okay,
Upload.
okay, once save, it will be open in a new tab. If you don't see it, okay, do one thing. Go back to the file manager. Go back to the file manager.
How do I go back?
Okay, minimize this window. Miss Lee, click
Yeah, yeah.
the three
I'll
dots.
go back. I don't know where is it now. Too
No
many
worry.
windows.
Okay, I think it will be close ready. Okay, please click the three dots over there. Go for history and then open here. Okay, history. History, please. Okay, three tabs. Book one. Book one. Here, three tabs. Yes. Okay. Book three.
This one?
First one. Select this one. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Open again?
Yes. Open. Home. Open. Okay. View all files. Okay. Type category. Catalog. Okay. Try to open.
Oh, I think the pop.
Okay. Click here.
Huh?
Click pop-up where this
The first
option.
one?
Okay. Always allow pop-up. Okay, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute. Delete all the drive. Let me delete all the drive. 1 minute. Catalog. Okay, 1 minute. Let it open.
Okay.
Finally done. Okay. Now,
Mm.
okay. Go to new tab. One more tab. Plus sign is there, no?
One more.
Yes. Plus sign is there, no?
Huh?
No. Plus sign is, yes. Now, yes, you can copy the voice wall exercise website, paste over there. Otherwise, go for history and then find it. Once again, history, 3 dots on the right side. Right side, yes, 3 dots. Okay, history. Okay, okay, where it is, the voice wall, 3, okay, history. Okay, so scroll down. Otherwise, you type voice wall. Voice all. WISEOWL. Just type. OWL. Okay, hold on. Let it find. No search. Voice space wall.
Mm.
Nothing search. Okay, no problem. Go back to the search chat in the Zoom. Copy the link, paste over there. In the chat, yes, go back to the chat in the Zoom control. Okay, copy the link. Zoom. Okay, Zoom chat.
How do I go back? Too many windows.
Okay, see down, Zoom is there, no? In the taskbar, Zoom icon is there, no? Yes. Can you able to open?
This link.
Yes. The voice all link. Copy the link, back to the browser, paste it.
Huh?
Yes, exactly.
Here, then.
Okay. Okay.
What should I do here?
Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. First exercise. Open the first exercise. Scroll down. Down, please. One more down. Okay, see, Excel basic exercise. Excel exercise 1. First Excel. First
This
exercise
one? This
1.
one?
Straw. Up, up. Little up. Little up.
Or this one?
Little up. Okay. See the exercise. Okay. So see, your file looking like this only. Okay. If you uploaded the file, your file is looking like that. Okay. So what they want, you need to add new details on the row 9 and then 10. So what are the details they want to upload? The details for 9th is See the columns, information, this
No,
information.
wait. I haven't opened the file yet.
Okay.
File. Same catalog.
Mm. I think you try for two browsers. That's why you little confused, right?
Yeah, too many windows. I
Yes,
cannot
too
go
many.
back which window. I cannot
Yes.
see.
Okay, no problem. Okay, go back to that Voice World browser.
Yeah, here.
Okay, copy the URL. Where
Copy
is
the.
the URL? Click the. Okay, 1 minute. I need this URL. Okay, accept my request. Accept my request. Okay. 1 minute. Mac OS. Why I couldn't able to control your screen? So different OS, I couldn't able to control your screen. Okay. Give up. Okay. Okay. Just clear. Click the clear button. Click the clear button, please. Okay. Okay. Um, 1 minute. Can you able to see the hi message in the chat, Miss Lee? In the chat.
Hmm?
Can you able to see the hi message in the chat?
Yes.
Okay. Copy the URL. In front is there, no? www.wiseworld.co.uk. Copy the URL. Okay. So now go
No,
back to that.
not yet.
Yes, copy the URL. Go back to that browser which we dealing with the Excel in that online. No, that browser you open. I think Google Chrome. Copy the URL. Okay, go back to that Chrome browser.
Go back to.
Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser you already open, no? Yes. Now go to the one more. Okay. Okay, file is there. Okay, go to that plus sign. Yes, paste the URL in that text box. Paste the URL. Yes. Paste the URL. Yes. Okay, click the enter button. Now, don't go for that browser. Okay, we can try this coding in this browser itself. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, so yes. If you open the file will be looking like that only. Click the book3.xl file. Book3.xl tab. Book3.xl is there, no? Third tab. Okay. Where it is? We already opened the file, no?
This
Catalog
one?
phone line. Catalog phone line 4.xl.
This one?
Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth,
Fourth tab.
which one? Fourth,
Yes, yes, yes. Open.
this one, basic.
Yes. No, fourth one. Catalog phone line.xl file. Yes. Hold on. Yes. If you open the file look like this exactly. Okay. Now, what we are going to do with this means we are going to adding two, that is a row of information on 9th row and then 10th row. Okay. Go back to that Excel basic exercise from Wisewall, fifth tab. After history, yes. After history, Excel basic exercise question is there, no?
Which
Okay.
one? Which one? There's so many files here.
Okay. Okay, close the book 3. Close the book 3. Book 3. Third tab. Close. Okay. History tab also you close. Okay, now question is in the fourth tab. Third tab, you are going to do the activity. Okay. Okay, now select the fourth tab. Excel basic exercise from Wisewall. Okay, what they want? They want to add the, okay, select the Excel basic exercise, fourth tab.
One, two,
Fourth
three.
one.
Formatting. This one?
Fourth tab. Excel basic exercise tab is there, no? Open the tab. Not
Is this the correct file? Is this the correct file?
Okay, wait. Basic intro.xl is a tutorial. Okay, close the tutorial.
No, I don't understand what you mean. Is this the file correct? Is this file wants to close?
Yes, close this file. Close this file. Okay, close your email as well. Okay, now see to that. We are going to do one activity for the catalog phone line 4.xl file now. Okay, so see the data which is there in that catalog phone line. Call ID, call date, type of call, description, action taken. These are the information which is available in that particular Excel sheet. Okay. Okay. Go to the second tab. Excel exercise, basic exercise 1. Yes. Now, see, when you open the file, it look like this picture which is there in that one, right? Okay, scroll down. Okay, what they want to add? They want to add the 9th row. So 9th row, see after call ID, date is 10 December, product enquiry, does item has packets, none needed. These are the information you can type on the 9th row. Okay, please do it in your catalog pipeline.
Copy and paste. Copy this one. Is it exactly the same?
You try. But that is an image. You couldn't able to copy, I think so. This is an image. Paste. Try to paste over there. Hello? I think that is an image. Okay, you type there. 10th December. Okay. Next data. Product enquiry. Does item have packets? Okay, none needed. That's it. Just a small exercise for editing. Adding the row, editing, copy, pasting, everything. Okay, go back to that exercise once again. Done for 9th column. Okay, super. Okay, what they want? You want to add one more column. That is a 10th row. Same 10th December. Okay, please do it. See, the drop down is there. Okay, click the none needed. Click the none needed. Okay. See, click the arrow button in the right side. Yes, see, these are the drop down, the validation they set. Okay, you want to know about how to add the validation, Miss Leela?
Yeah, how to put a drop? Yeah.
Okay, just go for a A14 cell.
Huh?
A14 cell. Click on the A14 cell. Cell number A14.
A14.
Yes, A14. Okay. Now type gender. Gender. Okay. Move for little right side. Next cell. Click on this next cell. Generally, in the application form, they ask either a gender column, either male or female. Okay. So, in order to avoid the spelling mistake of the persons to entry, capital letter, small letter, this description and all, if you want to overcome means, we can set the data validation. How to set the data validation means, go for data ribbon. Okay. So now data validation. Click
How come I
data
don't
validation.
Wait.
Ah.
Data,
See,
nothing.
down. See down, little down.
Little
After
down.
data, see right side, data validation. Shorting, descending, custom sort, filter, data validation. Green color, red color is there, no?
I cannot see. How
Okay.
to disappear this one?
Okay, I can able to see. Okay, 1 minute. See,
Yeah.
data validation. See, Miss Lile, see,
Yeah.
can you able to see? Under data validation. Okay, data validation. Now, click any value. The drop down arrow mark is there. Now click. Okay, go for list option. Okay, you type female comma male. Female, MALE comma male. Click apply. Click apply. Apply. Okay. Now click the arrow button which is there in that cell number D. Okay.
Oh.
See, male or female. Now try for typing the information. Please type female. Hit enter button. Okay, the system will be allowed to you. Go for next cell, autofill. Click on OK. Mail. Please type mail. The system allow you. Please type some other data. Any other data. Just type Lee. Try to type Lee. Hit the enter button. See, the system will be show the message to you. Someone set the data validation rules on the cell, and the rules required you to choose an item from the drop down. You can retrieve. Click retrieve. So if you want to restrict the people to type the information on the cell, means you can set the data validation. Okay.
So this one is also set already for all this.
Yes, exactly. They are already set.
Oh.
So they
So
already
if you want to insert, add more, how to change?
Okay, if you want to add means just go for a data validation itself. Data validation. Select the cell. Please select the cell, Miss. Yes. Go for female. After female, you add rest of the details as well.
Okay.
So not only giving that data, you can set the range as well. Okay. One more example. Even you can set with the input message as well. Okay. Close this window. Okay. The meanwhile, just to stop sharing, I will demonstrate you and then we'll continue this exercise. Okay. 1 minute. So far this Excel file will demonstrate basic informations about Excel. If we go for welcome to Excel file, which I already shared in that email, no, via the email, no. So you can able to see little more work activities as well. Okay, let me open that file first. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, close. Okay, this file, second file. Okay. Let me open the second file. Welcome to Excel 1. One minute, let it open. So there are two ways we can set the validation. One way, you can directly to type the items in the particular source text box. Okay. So another way is you can suppose, okay, 1 minute, let it open the data validations drop down, which is in the seventh sheet. Okay, let me open this one. One minute. Okay. The second sheet which I shared in that morning, no. This sheet which consists of steps to done for the exercises along with the activities also available. Okay, suppose if you want to set the validations means there are two ways. One is you can go for the data tab, data validation, and then click allow and then list. After that, you can go for typing the info. Okay, so the typing the info, which is especially for whether you can type list of items. Okay, let me go for clicking here. Okay, and then go for data. So department may be a produce meat bakery. So I go for a typing others data except this one. Okay, so let me go for data validation here. In the data validation, which is similar for yours. So click the allow. Let me go for list option. So here you can go for typing the source. Produce meat bakery. These are the three departments which I am going to type over there. So right side, ignore the blank. In the cell drop down also which is there, click OK button. If I click OK button, the drop down will be added over there. So if you click the drop down, you can able to choose any one. Okay, let me go for a produce. The department under Apple is a produce department. Okay, I want to same drop down means as usual autofill. So just you can go for a double click over there. You can able to see the autofilling. So otherwise as usual, you can click and drag down, which is added for rest of the cell as well. This is a one way. Understand, Miss Lee?
Yeah, yeah.
Typing the items. Another way, see down. Suppose my data, which is there in the separate cell. So my source of item, which is there in the separate data. So how I give that reference to here? Don't typing the items in the source text box. Okay, what I am going to do? Whatever data is there, I convert this data to table. How to convert the data to table means just you can go for Control T option. Okay, just I select the data. Okay, after that, any one of the data and then Control T. That means I convert this data to table. So this is a actual reference. Click OK. Now my data converted to table. Okay. Just I go for giving reference to the particular table. That's it. Okay. Now same procedure. Data validation. After that, under allow, choose list. After that, here, what I'm going to typing means, just I'm going to giving the reference to this table. Understand, Miss Leela? I don't want to typing the data. Just I go for giving the reference only. So this is my table reference. So the reference which is coming here, equal sign. This is my reference. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Just give OK button. That's it. Now see, the data is refer from the particular table. So I don't want to typing, adding. My actual reference is somewhere in that workbook. Just I give the reference. That's it. Now what I'm going to do? Just click and drag to apply the validation rest of the cell as well. That's it. Understand, Miss Leela?
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to add, suppose if you, what is the specialty for adding the tables means, suppose if I want to, if you use the normal list and then typing that items for the source means, If you want to add anything, you can go for data validation, add. Suppose if I type here, let me go for typing here is a, okay, let me type for example, food, like this. So I add food here. See, it automatically have the reference. See, there is a speciality here.
Mm.
Okay, it will be best. The second one is a best one rather than first one. First one, we type for the validation. Second one, if we give the reference, if you want to add anything, if you add table itself, it automatically refer. That is an absolute reference. Understand?
Then how do you hide the table?
Okay, how
Is
to
it
convert the
possible?
table? Okay, let me explain once again. Go for data validation. Here, I want to give the reference, actual reference. Equal sign, this is my actual reference. If we click and drag, it automatically taken. $sign, F, $sign 32. This is a 32, F32. From F32 to F35, I give the reference. Okay. Click OK button, that's it. Even you can define one more name manager as well. Okay, let me do for Control Z. Just I don't want to converting the table. Okay, so now I return back original position. What I am going to do means I am going to defining name for this selected cell. Generally, if you select one cell, that is a name is there. Now I go for selecting the all the three departments. Okay, including the title itself. Okay, select the title itself. Now see name box. I called it a name is like a department name. So I define name of all the data which is there in my cell and then click the enter button. Now see, I don't want to convert table and then give the reference. Nothing I am going to define. Just I am going to defining the name itself. Okay. So the names which we define as a department name. Okay. If you see the formula, you can able to see the name manager. Click the name manager. So I already defining lot of names there. So department name is my recently one, so it will be highlighted. Okay, so this reference I am going to define here. Okay, third one, data validation. Okay, go for list option. Go for here. Let me give that equal. So department name, department underscore name. The name which has I assigned the data, no. Just I give department name and then give OK button. Okay, a named range you specified cannot be found. Okay, let me check once again. Click source. One minute.
So provided you remember.
Keep on practicing means it also.
If you cannot remember, can search or not?
Search as well. To
I
see,
found the
nowadays
department.
all the artificial intelligence tools is available, no? Just ask the question, they will reply to you. See? Oh, department name only is that. It's cannot supposed to be working. 1 minute, let me check once again. It's not working for my side. DT underscore name. Okay. Let me go for validation. Okay. So here equal DPT name. Okay. Yes. Now see, it's coming. So there are three ways you can set the validation. One is go for data and then validation and then list you type directly. Second way, if your item is in the somewhere in that same sheet, convert the item to table, give the absolute reference. Third way, suppose you refer the items from some other sheet in the workbook. So this third technique which is used for defining the name manager, the data which is available in another sheet. So I refer the data from here means you can using this third step. Okay. Another one is not only you can adding the list. Okay, let me go for defining the rules for the age of the person. See, age. The employee age should always greater than 0, not less than numbers and all. Okay. So I go for defining the validation here, data validation. Now see, before that we'll dealing with the list of validation. Now I go with the number checking. Let me go for whole number. So whole number between minimum number is, for example, employee means the age should be greater than or equal to 18. So under the category, that is a children's category, cannot be recruit. Okay, so minimum age is 18, maximum age is 100. Let me deal like this. Okay, so just click OK button. Okay, so now we'll see. If I type 10, see, the system will be show the warning message to you. This value does not match the data validation restriction denied. Okay, let me try little more. Okay, if I type 20, no issue. If I type 100, no issue. If I type 101, this issue is happened. So the validation not only for a list of item, you can set for the restriction for the number as well. Understand, Miss Leela? The concept here?
But in what circumstances people use this age?
Okay, fine. So here in my category, for example, if I go for a even a if they restrict for a typing the value is okay. Wait, if you go for typing the employee salary, nobody work without salary. Understand, Miss Leela? So if I go for entering the employee salary 0 means so you can restrict the people. So even for example, my predictions minimum range, maximum range I am having. So if you try for a typing beyond the range or below the range means the system will show the highlight, otherwise a warning message to you. So the people they entering the details, they will aware of that one. So in that case, you can set the validation. Okay. So now let me stop my screen sharing. Okay, go back to your exercise and then please try to continue and then complete the first exercise. Please share your screen. Okay. Go back to the exercise. Excel exercise basic voice wall. Okay. Okay. Scroll down. Edit the description for the cell D8. Okay, the cell D8, you can go for edit the description. Scroll down. What description they want to edit? Okay. Wait. Scroll up. Scroll little up. Okay. Sent wrong colors has already ordered the replacement item. Okay, go back to that 8th cell. Okay, go back to that Excel file. Catalog phone line dot 4. Okay, try to change the 8th one. 8th. Okay. Description. Change the description.
Change to
description. Eighth one.
8.
Yes. Okay. Change the
Okay.
description. Okay. Go back to the exercise. Sent wrong color. Okay. Okay. Down. Down, please. Sent wrong color hyphen hash already ordered the replacement item. Okay.
This one.
Has already ordered the replacement item. Hyphen after sent wrong color. Okay. Yes. Now you can able to editing. Okay. What is the last task? Go to the exercise. Okay. So we will change the column with next. Okay. So after that, okay, change the date in that cell B8 and then copy paste the new date to B9, B10. Okay. Copy paste. No, not copy paste the same data. Copy paste the date only. Go back. Go back to the exercise. Yes.
Wait. Copy.
What they want?
Change the
Date.
date.
11th December. See the picture? 8th
Oh,
row,
okay.
11th December, and then copy paste it down as well.
So
Yes.
copy the date.
Yes, 11th December. First you change the 11th December and then copy paste it down. 11th December. So usually date format is month, day, and then year. Yes, 11th December. Okay. Now copy and then paste it down. Control C, Control V. Name on, copy paste. Control C, Control V. Yes,
Good.
Control C. Okay, Control V. Control V.
No. Control copy, right? So
Yes,
Control
Control C.
C.
Okay,
Then
Control V.
Control V. Why is it 12?
Okay. Can you able to copy? Okay, select the 11th December, Control C. Press Control C. Okay, select the, yes, 9. Okay, down. Down as well, Control V. Yes, exactly. Okay, super, good job. Go back to the exercise. What they want to do? They want to save the file is updated catalog enquiry December. Okay, go back to the term exercise. Okay. Okay, now file save option is available. Share is available and then create a copy is available. Rename. Okay, paste. Top. See pink color highlight? Yes, paste over there. Control V. Control
Control V.
V. Can you able to paste over there?
No.
Okay. Okay, then you can rename.
Can
Uh,
I cannot type anything.
Type the, okay, go back to the exercise. Updated catalog enquiries December. Go back to that exercise and then activity and then change. Updated catalog enquiries. Updated catalog enquiries December. Double click on the pink color. Okay, delete and then paste. Okay, updated.
No, I cannot paste. I cannot.
Okay,
say.
please type. Please type updated catalog enquiries, catalog enquiries December. Okay, delete the rest. December. Okay, delete the rest of the text.
Cannot.
Backspace can. Backspace. Press the backspace button.
But map don't have backspace.
Okay. Okay, then highlight the rest of the text. Select the text, press the delete button. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, success. That's it. So this is the first activities you done. Okay, we'll do. Okay, click the share button on the right side. Share button is there, no? Green color share button. No. Right side. Right side. Click. Is it copy URL share? Click the share. Is it download option is available? Is it anywhere download option is available? Manage access, share, copy. Okay. Click the dots, 9 dots on the left top. 9 dots is there, no? Left top. Yes, click. Okay. Workbook document, create more as well. Okay. Okay, no worry. Okay, no worry. Just press the escape button. Return back. Okay. Click the file menu. Let me try for anywhere download button is there or not. Download, export. Click export option. Download PDF, download CSV file. Okay. So click download option. Download CSV UTF file.
This second.
Either one. First one or second one. Okay. So now the file will be downloaded in your site. But this is a common value separated file only, not Excel file. Similar for Excel, but it will be have the comma. That's it. Okay. Great job, Miss Leela, for the completing first exercise.
I find
Okay.
it difficult.
Go back to the exercise. One more exercise you try.
Which one?
Second one. Go for Excel. Yes, formula. Little up.
Second one. Formula?
Yes. Creating formula. Okay. Go for first one. Show this exercise. First one. Relatively easy. Use Excel to calculate basic statistics. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. Yes. Download the file. And then you can calculate for a wealth per year as well as a total value, average value. Okay. Download the file first. And then open this file in the cloud, Excel cloud. After you try for this activity. Okay. Richest people, right? Richest people. Okay. Now go back to the browser. No, don't go for here. Go back to the browser. Chrome browser. Okay. Chrome browser. Yes. So now, so what you're going to do means go with the plus sign. Add one more sheet. Plus sign on the bottom. No, 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 no. Go for upload catalog inquiry file itself. Excel file itself. Okay. First one. First tab. First one. Updated catalog inquiries is yes. Adding the new sheet. Yes. Okay. Now file. Open from file. Okay. After that, okay, view all the files. Third option. Fourth option. Yes. Okay. Open the richest people. Excel file. Okay, search. Okay, my files. Open my files. From downloads. From downloads. No, no, you cannot go for a recently. Okay, open the file from downloads. Go back one step. Okay, file, open file. Open file. Okay, view all files. Otherwise, you can go for last option. Open files from this. Yes. Okay. Just type richest. Richest. Okay, people. Select and then open. Okay, hold on. Okay, pop-up is display, no? Allow. Done. Okay, wait down. Scroll up. Okay. Try to upload once again. This is a difficulty for using online web. Richest people. Okay, hold on. Let it okay. Okay. Now you can go for exercise. Read the question and then try for your side. What they want? Third tab. They want to calculate the wealth per year, total and then average. Okay. Okay, wealth per year. You can select the wealth per year. Under the wealth per year title, you select the column. Okay.
They want the total
F4.
wealth.
No. Total average, after calculating the wealth per year only, you can able to calculate the total and average and all. Okay. Go back to the exercise. Go back to the exercise. Okay. So what they want, just to see. Where is the second exercise? Okay. Okay, first exercise we done successfully. Go for the creating formula exercise. Okay. Okay, first exercise, relatively easy. Open, show this exercise. First exercise. Okay, scroll down. Okay. See, accumulate most million buyers. Okay, scroll up. Scroll up. Yes. So they want to calculate the wealth per year. So what is the formula for finding the wealth per year? Okay, scroll up, little up, please. I think, scroll up. Have you select the right exercise? Richest people in that, use the calculate, okay. Okay. Top 10 richest people in the world, okay. So, yes. What is the formula for wealth per year? Yes. Divided by age, exactly. Okay, now how to apply copy the formula and then paste it down? Click and drag. Okay. Please check with your answer. Please check with the exercise whether you got the answer is similar or not. 2.83, 4.16. Yes, 2.85. Okay, okay, super. Scroll down. Okay, exactly. Okay, done. Next, what they want to do? Scroll down. Total. So, total, auto sum. Okay. Okay. Go back to the exercise. Check 30.88. Okay, super. Scroll down. Okay, good. Now average 3.09. Okay, how to find average? Same auto sum. Home ribbon. Click home ribbon. Okay. Select the average cell. Go for auto sum. Click the arrow mark in that auto sum icon. Auto sum, where it is auto sum? Sigma sign is there, no? Right side. Yes. Click the drop down. Yes. Average. Exactly. Okay. Average for?
No,
No,
sorry.
no. Not a total. Average for the wealth per year column. Yes. Select the range. Yes, exactly. Okay. Check with your exercise.
Yeah.
Done a good job. Okay, so next what they want to do? They want to save us. Open the save file. Okay, no worry. Just leave it. Great job. Okay, try for one more exercise for formula. One more formula. Yes. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, one more formula exercise. Scroll down. Okay, down please. Okay, yes. Create formula itself. Create formula itself. Okay, now scroll down. Okay, second row. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Yes. Use Microsoft Excel to create simple. Okay, try. Okay, scroll down. What they want? Okay, each player's information average. Okay, try this one. Unzip the file, load it to Cloud Excel and then try. Okay, Miss Leela. Once you complete it, let me know.
Okay. See. The difficult part is the download. Download already.
Okay. So what is the file name?
QF.
QF. Okay. One more time you download. Go back to home page. Okay. Just check with the download button whether the file is downloaded or not. The right side there is a down arrow button is there, no? Right side there is a arrow button is there, no? Download button.
This one.
Okay. See, phone stick. More sticks. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Go back to
Last one is this one.
Okay, go for inserting one more sheet. We'll see. Okay, file from file. Okay, open the file from bow stick PO.
Hmm?
PO. The file name is POOH. Bow sticks. Okay, click open. Pop up. Let's wait. Okay. Average score and then overall score. Okay. Average score, how to calculate? Each players.
Okay.
Okay. Done ready?
Yeah, done.
Okay, 1 minute now. Let me check. Okay. Okay. So average score. What is the formula you apply for the average score?
This one?
Average
Average.
score.
Yeah.
Yes. Click the average scores, the formula. average score of each players.
Yeah.
Matches played divided by score, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, super. Okay, go back to the exercise. D3 divided by E3. Okay, super, great. Go back to the exercise once again. Website. Yes. We'll try for one more exercise. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Formatting worksheet. Try for formatting worksheet. Yes. Formatting worksheet. Okay. Try with the first one. Apply some simple formatting. Okay, scroll down. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is a file initial worksheet. After you can highlight the top. Okay, Control A. Okay. Okay, so try for this one.
Is this the file?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, open the file. Extract. Okay. Okay, interview.
No.
Okay.
Interview.
Yeah. Okay, go back to that Excel. Upload this file to cloud. And then try. Open file from, okay. Interview. Scroll up. Interview data. December. Okay. Oh, fine. December 2022 to January 2021. Okay. So go back to the exercise. What they want to formatting that Excel file. Okay. Okay. Open the workbook. It will be contain this data. The initial workbook without formatting. Okay. Press Ctrl A to select whole table and add border lines. Select just title and row 1 and add shading as shown below. Okay. Okay. Looking better already. Change the column with F and center E. Everything. Okay. Please try for this one.
Row A. Then change the border.
Add borderline. Select just title and row 1 and add shading as shown below. Okay. Go back to the exercise. That is interview data. Okay. Add the borders. Okay. 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 Do it one. Okay. Select the candidate number. Select the candidate number only. Okay. Candidate number. Click the candidate number. Click the candidate number. Only that particular cell. Okay. Control A. Now adding the borders. They want to
But
add the
it's so
border.
complicated. Actually, it's simple. The way they describe it is
Okay. Now highlight the columns.
highlights.
Yes. Go back to the exercise. They want to highlight the column. Row 1. Like, see the picture. Candidate numbers, regional center. They want to shading the colors. Looking better already. Okay, scroll up. See the top, they want to adding the shading. Yes. Light yellow. Is it light yellow is there? Shading option. Okay. Okay, look better. Okay, what they want? Okay, go back. Okay, look better. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, now apply this additional changes. Okay. Change the column width of column F and center everything in this column. Okay, go back. Center alignment. Column F, not E. F column. F column, the Y, N is there. No, it is center alignment. Change the first column width of the column center, everything in this column. Okay. And then select all the column E letter and then word wrap so that you can see all the long text entry in this column. Make column D with enough fit longest text. Double click column with icons and the lines to the right of that. Okay. Okay. So try to do all these changes.
Column D. Mhm. I think so like that.
Okay, done?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Okay, so, okay. Okay, go back to the exercise. Go back to the exercise. Okay. See the output, final output, final output. See, notes are wrapping out. That is, the E column is wrap the text. F column is center alignment. D column is little adjust. Understand, Miss Leela?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, go back to that one. F column is center alignment.
It's already because the column big.
Okay. F is center alignment. Select the F column and then change to center alignment.
Center. It's already center, right?
Okay. Please select the F column. Okay, F column.
Huh?
F column, not E column. F column should be center alignment. Yes. Okay. Okay. E column should be a wrapping text. Wrap the text. See, E column is wrap text. Don't adjust the width. Okay. Apply wrap text. Yes. Exactly. Okay. Go back to the exercise. Okay. That is not a center alignment. That is a left alignment only. Go back. Go back to that interview data. Left alignment. E column should be left alignment. Yes. Left alignment. Okay. Okay. Go back to that exercise. What they need, you can now see all the text in the column D and E. Okay. So now they want to add a little more details. Okay. What they want to add, make the following additional formatting changes. Insert 3 new rows at the top of the worksheet and add the title shown below. Okay, interview UK December 2020-2000. Feel free to choose more exciting font colors. Change the font colors. Okay, you can go with any font color and then size. Okay, please try. Insert 3. Yes. Okay, insert. Insert 3 row of information above.
Three rows.
1. Yes. Okay, now interviews UK December 2020-January 2021. Okay, so make it emerge up to F. Up to F. Yes. Select up to F. Yes. Make it left alignment. Okay, left alignment, font color, font size. Okay. Now go back to that exercise, what they need. Okay, interview UK, okay. Feel free to choose more exciting font color, okay. Change the color and the font size, title, row 4 to enhance them so that worksheet. Now look, okay. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Okay, exercise. Okay, exercise. Okay, a final. Okay, much better. Okay, what they want to do with the column title, they can change the font color, right? The column title font color they change. Okay, change the color and the font size of the title on row 4. Okay, see, font size, all the titles on the row 4 to, yes, look better. Select the row number 4, change the font size. Because why they give practice means when go for entering the data, ordinary data, but giving the column name, title of the sheet should be different. That's why they given this practice. Title should be little bigger than the actual column title. Actual column title little bigger than the actual data you can store. Like that they can giving the practice. Okay.
Ayo, I don't know what I did and I closed it.
That is okay. Okay, can you please click the history? Can you able to open the interview history 3 dots? Yes, interview history. Yeah, interview data files. Because you use the online cloud. Okay, we'll see. Maybe it will be stored in your drive as well. Okay. Okay, change the font size of the column titles. Okay, size, increase the size. Generally, Calibri 11. Okay, 14. Okay, size 16. Okay, now it is looking better. Okay. Okay, go back the exercise. So after that, what they want? They want to save the file, right? Scroll down. Now it is looking better. Okay, scroll down. Okay, that's it. File save as interview data answer. Okay. One more formatting. Try for one more formatting. We'll see how tough it will be. Try for average difficult level. Any one of average difficult level. Don't
Eh?
go with the yes, average difficult level exercise. Second column. Second column, first row. Apply outline to the financial model. Okay, we'll see. Scroll down, which is little average difficult level. We'll see. Scroll down. Okay, revenue cost section. Okay. Okay, set group settings as well. Summary column to the right of details. Wow, it's a totally average difficult level. Okay, try. Try for your side. Okay, fine. Okay, please first try for your side. If you cannot, we'll help you. Okay, I will help you.
The down one doesn't work. How for this one?
Go back. Go back to your downloads. Which file you recently downloaded? Click the
It's
downloads
not. It's
button.
not here.
Click the download button. Okay. Unzip the file. Okay, open. Okay. Okay. Unzip vanilla mobile.exls. Okay. Game show, lifestyle management 1.0, untested. Okay. Go back. Go back to upload the file. Outlined model as well. Okay.
It's different file from what is in the exercise.
The file is different, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, just another one. Let me check and then another one. Buying toys exercise.
I don't know why all the file is the same. Is it the error?
Come again?
The file all the same.
Okay.
Yeah, but when open is like different. Is it an error? I don't know. I
This
think
is a
this one.
plain twice. Open.
Yeah, so this one.
Okay, upload it to cloud and then try. Okay, please try for your side. Madam, hi, Anupama.
Okay, this one.
Okay, super, great,
Yeah, I
great.
think this one too
Uh,
basic. Too
yes,
basic. Yeah,
okay, super.
yeah.
Try for one more exercise, another topic.
Which one topic?
Okay, scroll down.
4:30 I got to leave. Is it okay to finish at 4:30?
Okay, one more exercise. Scroll down. Okay, try for charts. Chart. Scroll up, little up. Okay, after, yes. Average difficult, select all the data and create the line chart. Okay. Select the data and create three-dimensional pie chart with the segmentation and labeled with the percentage. Okay. Okay. Basic. Okay. Try for second one. Select part of the chocolate bar worksheet and create basic column bar chart that has formulated like okay second. Three-dimensional column chart. Average difficult level, it is showing three-dimensional column chart. Okay.
You can give back to this the training center. We cannot virtual sit down there for a few hours, you know. Yeah, without break, you know, it's exercise can be done, you know, with it. It's not like, you know, it's
Mm.
the whole after lunch until now there's no break. You know, for us training, we sit the whole cannot. And also, this is another wasting time is downloading.
Because the thing is uh, is it three-dimensional graph is available in your cloud version, Miss Leela?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's no 3D. How does 3D?
3D, no, right?
Yeah, there's no selection 3D. It's only column.
Okay, only columns. Okay. So then leave it, no worry. Because I thought
But is it in Excel? Do they have 3D column in
yes,
Excel?
we have that Excel 3D, 2D, both available.
But I can't see it here. Maybe it's a basic one. There's not much selections.
Oh. That is a basic limitation is there, right?
Yeah, limitation.
Yes. Column area combo statistics. Okay. Data validation.
So for this one, how?
Okay, because this is a three-dimensional, no, you couldn't able to do, right? Scroll down. Okay, wait. Okay, unzip. Okay, let me tell you one more thing about this training. Okay, in this training, all the question, that is exercise which having the answer file as well. See the bottom, you can unzip this file to see the answer to the exercise is there. No, this file, last file, okay, this is the answer file. Okay, so you can able to see the answer file as well. Okay, please open. Can you able to open the file?
Oh, it takes some time to download.
Okay. Miss Lile, just for asking one more. Do you have any laptop which having Microsoft Excel software?
No,
Any other laptop, PC? No.
This is the only one.
Okay. Mhm.
So what is the answer? The same
Yes,
chart.
this is the answer sheet.
Yeah. But I see it's just
Excel
the
file
same.
only.
It's just the same, right? It's just the
Yes, column chart versus 3-dimensional.
yeah. So the answer is this one.
Each and every exercise, the answer they can given. Why I am not telling means in order to try for your side only.
I know, but it's the same. The answer, I don't see any difference. The answer is it's the same.
Okay.
There's no explanation or anything. No.
Yes, there is no explanation in the Excel file, but if you click the chart, you can able to see which chart they can chosen and then what kind of data labels and all they can added, you can able to see.
But anyway, doesn't help. Doesn't help. Yeah. I don't see the answer is the same. It's the same.
Yes, which is similar.
Yeah.
Actually, if you select the chart, if you click the chart, no, you can able to right side, you can able to see which chart design they can chosen, what are the range they can selected, what kind of formatting they can do, everything you can able to see. So here they can show the picture only. If you go the answer file, the file which having that Excel file along with the chart.
Okay.
So I will give you one more exercise to you.
No,
Okay.
I think this is too much already. I really cannot sit for too long. My back
No,
is
no, no, no,
it's
no.
getting serious.
No. I'm not do for now. Later, tomorrow.
Yeah. Please,
Tomorrow we'll
because
try.
I'm going to feedback to them. This is too long hours, lah. Sitting in the virtual just to do all
No
this.
problem. No
Yeah.
problem. So tomorrow onwards will be restrict that one. No worry, no worry.
Yeah.
So based on the students' requirement, based on the students' feedback, we'll give the short break as well. Please remind me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Like morning, how I give that a small break, no, like that afternoon also we'll try. Okay.
Yeah.
The concepts and all. So tomorrow we'll dedicate it for cleaning your data. How we are going to use Power Query to clean the data and we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Miss Lee. Bye.